Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Ashis Biswas, an assistant teacher of mathematics in National Ideal English Version School, morning shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class 1. Our today's topic is addition of 3 digit with carrying. My dear student, today is our lecture number 16 of annual term. And today's SW number will be 16 also. So my dear student, let us start our class. In our class there are 6 problems: 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Okay, so 6 problem. Among these 6 problem we shall solve only 3 problems, and another 3 problem will be your SW. Question number 10, 11 and 12 will be your SW. Now we shall solve question number 7, 8 and 9. So my dear students, in our first class we have already learned how to solve this type of math. Okay, so first of all we add ones place, then we add tens place digit, then we add 100 place digits. So let us start. So first of all, number 7, 555 plus 339. We add these two numbers. Notice it has ones place, tens place and 100 place. At first we add ones place digit. Here 5, here 9. If we add 9 with 5, then which number? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So if we add 9 with 5, then we get 14. Here you notice ones place number is 4. So this number is placed in ones place section. I hope you have understood. And this one is carrying, and this one is added with this section. Now we consider 5, 3 and 1. That means we add 5, 3 and 1. Okay, now we add 5 with 3, then we get 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 9. Okay, write 9. Okay, now tens place digit is done. Next we shall add 5 with 3, that means 100 place digit. If we add 5 with 3, then we get 5, 6, 7 and 8. So we get 8. I hope you have understood. If you don't count by using finger, then you joystick, after that you do addition. Okay, I repeat, 9 plus 5 we get 14. From 14 we write here 4, and this one is carrying. This one is added with this tens place. Now we add 5, 3 and 1. If we add 5 with 3, then we get 8. 8 plus 1, 9. Okay, and we add finally 100 place digit, that means 5 with 3. If we add, then we get 8. I hope you have understood. And our answer is done. Now we shall write answer. 894. So our first one is done. Next we shall solve question number 8. Here 639 plus 125. Similar as question number 7, we shall solve question number 8. First of all we add the ones place digits, then we add tens place digit, then we add 100 place digit. So first of all we add ones place digit. Here 9 and 5. My dear student, please notice this number has also 5 and 9. So just like this we add 9 with 5. If we add 9 with 5, then we get 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we get 14. From this 14 we write here 4, and this one is added with this tens place digit. Here tens place digit are 2 and 3, and this one is written here. Now you notice 2, 3 and on. We add this. If we add 2 with 3, then we get 2, 3, 4, 5. If we add 2 and 3, then we get 5. And this one, it will be 6. Now we write 6 in tens place. So tens place is done. Next we shall add 100 place digit. That means 6 and 1. If we add 6 with 1, then we get 7. Okay. Okay, my dear students, I repeat it again. 9, 5. If we add 9 with 5, then we get 14. From 14 we write here 4. And that carrying on is added with the tens place digit. Here tens place digit are 3 and 4. And carrying on is written here. Now we add 2 and 3, 5. 5 and 6. Okay. Then we add 6 with 1 and we get 7. So 764 is the answer. That means if we add 639 with 125, then we get 764. And it is the answer. As our answer is done, next we shall write answer 764. So this one is also done. Next we shall solve our last one, question number 9. My dear students, at first we add ones place digit, then we add tens place digit, after that we add 100 place digits. My dear student, notice if we add ones place digit, we get 5 with 2. If we add 5 with 2, then we get 5, 6, 6, 7. So we write 7 here. Okay. Now my dear student, we shall add tens place digit, these digit 9 and 3. If we add 9 with 3, then we get here 3 finger. That means 9, 10, 11 and 12. So we write here 12 tens. Now these tens and these hundreds, these two is placed in tens place, and this 100 place one is written in this section. Here you notice, my dear student, you can ask me, sir, as 12 it is 100, but not. Notice tens place. So this is 12 tens. 12 tens. So these 2 tens and this 10 tens. That means 10 tens means 100. So this one is added with this 100 place. Okay. Now 2 placed in tens place, and this 100 is added with this 100 place. Now you notice 1, 1 and 2. If we add 2 with 1, then we get 3, and 3 with 1, then we get 4. So we write here 4. We take it again, 5 with 2, then we get 5, 6, 7. Write 7. Now we add tens place digit, 9 and 3. If we add 9 with 3, then we get 12 tens. From 12 tens we notice 2 tens and 10 tens. 10 tens means 100. 100 is written in 100 place and 2 place in tens place. Now you notice in 100 place digits are 2, 1 and carrying 100. And that means 1, 1 and 2. If we add, then we get 2, 1, 3, 3, 1, 4. So 427 is the answer. If we add 195 with 232, then we get 427. I hope you have understood. And after finishing, we write answer 427. So my dear student, next we shall notice 10 number HTO. Here 559 is added with 124, just similar as question number 7. Okay, we add ones place, tens place and 100 place. Okay, next HTO. Here 163 is added with 163. My dear student, this question is similar as question number 9. Here notice tens place, ones place. If we add 3 with 3, then we get 6. If we add 6 and 6, then we get 12 tens. Then we get 12 tens. From these 12 tens, we write here 2 tens and 10 10 is carrying, 10 tens means 100. That 1 is added with this section, and that means 1 1 1. It will be 3. Just like question number 9. I hope you have understood. Next, question number 12. Here 925 is added with 25. You add ones place, tens place and hundred place. Notice there is no digit under 9. For these reasons you put here 9. No need to think about that. At first you add 5 with 5, then you get 10. Tens from 10, 0 is placed here and 1 is added with this 1. 2, 2, 4 and 1, 5. And there is no carrying. So 9 is placed here. I hope you have understood. My dear student, this is my today's lecture. I hope you have understood my today's lecture. This is your SW also. That means question number 10, 11 and 12 will be your SW. You must do your assign SW in your SW copy and submit it regularly by your guardians. Your guardians can submit your SW in our school library in every Sunday within 8 AM to 4 PM. So my dear students, keep practicing at home, avoid by your parents. See you soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.